Boudicca, Britain's first warrior queen. Boudicca was born in the 1st century AD in Britain. She was very tall, with long red hair. She was also a clever and brave woman. At that time, the Romans ruled Britain. When Boudicca's husband died, the Romans tried to take her land. She put together a large army and tried to stop them. She attacked and fought the Romans and won battles at Colchester, London, and St. Albans. But in the end, Boudicca's army was defeated, and Boudicca died in about 60 AD. She was Britain's first warrior queen.